Chapter number 3. Pair of linear equations in two variables.
Friends, you must have seen teacher writing some equations on the blackboard. For example, x plus 2y is equal to 0, a is equal to 4b minus 7, x upon 3 plus y upon 5 is equal to 11, and y is equal to 5x plus 2. Observe these equations. These are the linear equations in two variables. These are called linear equations in two variables as these are first degree equations and have two variables. These equations have infinitely many solutions. The standard form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. As if a is equal to 0 and b is also equal to 0, or either of a or b is equal to 0, then the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 will not remain a linear equation in two variables. But if c is equal to 0, the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, reduces to ax plus by is equal to 0, and remain linear equation in two variables. Now let us find out the limitations of graphical method. Number 1. If the solution of simultaneous equation has large values of the variables, it will be inconvenient to use graphical method. Number 2. If the solution of simultaneous equations has fractional values of the variables, the accuracy will not be possible. And number 3, if the angle between the two lines is small, it is not possible to find out the exact point of intersection.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें.
The condition of consistency in simultaneous equations can be summarized by this tree diagram. If the value of modulus a1 b1 a2 b2 is not equal to 0, that is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then for this condition the given simultaneous equation have unique solution. Therefore, the system is consistent. If the value of modulus a1 b1 a2 b2 is equal to 0, that is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, then for this condition we have two possibilities by comparing a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Let us see first possibility. If a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then for this condition the given simultaneous equations have infinitely many solutions. Therefore, system is consistent. Second possibility, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, then for this condition the given simultaneous equation have no solution. Therefore, system is inconsistent.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें.
Pair of linear equations in two variables. This is true for any linear equation that is each solution x, y of a linear equation in two variables ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 corresponds to a point on the line representing the equation and vice versa. Now consider the two equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. These two linear equations are in the same two variables, that is x and y. Equations like these are called a pair of linear equations in two variables. Now let us see what such pairs look like algebraically. The general form for a pair of linear equations in two variables x and y is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 are all real numbers, and a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0. Similarly, a2 square plus b2 square is also not equal to 0. Sum of the pairs of linear equations in two variables are 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 9x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Similarly, 5x is equal to y and minus 7x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।